Want these cool Apple Watch faces on your Apple Watch? Well, in this video, I'll show you how you can get some of the best Apple Watch faces and how to make live Apple Watch faces. Let's get started. Now, as you may have guessed, these watch faces are not native ones that you can get from the Watch app. So, head over to the App Store on your iPhone and install this Coolz Watch Faces Gallery app. In here, you'll find some of the most amazing watch faces for your Apple Watch. Even on the homepage, you'll see countless different watch faces, live watch faces, 3D watch faces, and more. At the top, you'll see popular watch faces of the week. Installing them on your Apple Watch is also super easy. Just select any watch face, tap on Add Apple Watch Face, and then tap on Add to My Faces. That's it. The Apple Watch face quickly syncs with your Apple Watch within seconds. The sync process is also just like a native Apple application, fast and seamless. All the watch faces on the app are meticulously categorized throughout. Under the New section, you'll find all the newly added watch faces. Here are some AI-generated scenic watch faces. Here are some anime-style watch faces. And here are some code-style watch faces. In the Live section, you'll find all the live animated watch faces curated in groups. I've installed some live watch faces from different categories on my Apple Watch Series 10, like this astronaut walking on the moon, this anime character, and this rotating gear watch face. Here are some watch faces with customizable complications so you can see all the relevant metrics at a glance. And here are some nature-centric watch faces. I personally love these 3D watch faces with the depth effect. If you look closely, then you'll see that these watch faces react to the watch's movement, and it looks way cooler in person than it does in the video. You can also save the watch face by adding them to My Collection instead of having to download each one. And you can easily access all saved watch faces from here. The Coolz app also has some awesome faces for star signs. If you're into horoscope, then you should definitely check these out. You also get the option to create custom watch face. Just tap on this Create tab and select the Live Watch Face option. Now, you can select any GIF from Giphy, which is the world's largest GIF search engine. I'll search for Messi, and as you can see, I can select any GIF from here and turn it into a watch face. Let's go with this one. If the GIF is long, you can also make a selection of which part you want to keep and select Apply. You can also change the position of the clock by tapping on the position button. Finally, add it to your Apple Watch face and done. It quickly syncs and shows up on your Apple Watch. You can make and add countless custom watch faces through the Coolz app. Apart from this, Coolz also has some holiday-themed watch faces, like these live Christmas watch faces, Halloween-style faces, or Thanksgiving-themed watch faces. The Coolz app offers a huge collection of watch faces, and it's not possible to cover everything in this video, so make sure to check out this Coolz Watch Faces Gallery app. Some of the watch faces I showed you are available for free, while others require the Pro subscription. But it's a one-time subscription for lifetime access to all Pro watch faces, so I think it's definitely worth it. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to Wearholic for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.